Yo. Um, um, Welcome back to another stream, everyone. Hope you all doing great today. Before we jump into today's development, I wanted to announce something that's going to make this entire journey even more exciting. Uh, like I'm gonna start a challenge myself to earn like 100k USD from this game. Like by the time of development is finished. Now I'm not saying it's gonna too easy. Like honestly, it's pretty crazy goal. But I think I'm having a big target gives me something to work like towards every single day. But yeah, we're gonna do that. So today I'm gonna build an exit door, which is like gonna be pretty fun because we are finally getting into one of the core mechanics of this horror game. I'm not gonna call it a horror game. It's kind of weird game. I can't even tell what genre it stands in. If you guys have been following the previous stream, you are already like know the room is slowly starting to come together. So today's goal is pretty straightforward. At least I'm like yeah. This one. Yeah, I need to find my to-do list. Yeah. So I'm gonna spawn the door, and then the mechanics gonna work like there will be two doors. First will be like working on the switch which player has needs to find. Then the door will open for a certain time period, like it will have a timer like somewhere around 10-20 seconds. It depends on our testing which finds better. Then there will be the second door behind the first. The second door will have multiple locks, like there will be like one or two key lock which you need to find through the like switches in the room. And then there will be passcode lock which will be like a 4-digit passcode which you need to find the clue in the game, like you need to search by your own. This game is not gonna be like there will be no tutorial on it like with the gameplay. It will be like purely based on player needs to find it around it by its own, like an exit 8 game. Like there is no tutorial or game through gameplay through guidance. So I need to find a better position for the door. Like there will be, it should not feel like the area is empty, and it should have the door. It should feels like it's a normal place in the room. Players shouldn't have any idea if there is a door or not. So I need to arrange these buttons properly. Currently I just put randomly there for testing purpose. And I just want to keep everything simple as possible. I don't want to make it complicated. But every time I'm making a new thing, I make it myself complicated. Just a second, guys. Okay. My camera is blurred out. I don't know. The weirdest camera. Oh, let me just start my camera. Okay. Yeah. Nice one. Perfect. Let me just. Yeah, it's perfect now. Oh. So let's start now. I'm gonna create. How do I approach the door? I think I should split the wall. Yeah, I should split the wall like this much. Yeah, this much, and then there will be door. Should I put the door in middle? it will be better if I put like somewhere here that looks natural, and it will be harder to like a case where it is already. That doesn't even make a sense if he is even gonna case here is a door. I was about to stream yesterday, but I wasn't feeling well. Let's make blueprint first for the door. That should be first one first door. And then I'll make an active blueprint, which will be called as first door. And it should match the texture too. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Aestheticness always. It's one for the sideways and 10 units tall. Keep one, and that's gonna be two. and it's gonna be 10. And I will just that fits perfectly. Yeah. So I'm gonna just cut this off here. It should be like 15. Yeah, maybe. Yes. That's 15, that's 2. Okay, then this will be 3. Is there any gap? Maybe only this one. That should be 6. Yeah. Oh, 8 people's watching right now. That's first time. Usually I don't have more than 2 or 3, maximum 4. This is first time I'm watching 8 confident viewers. That's good. So like when the button triggers it should okay, let's make a custom event. I'll call it open and I'll add timeline to it. Add a timeline. I'll make sure it really triggers until this timeline is running. So I'll make it do once here, and we'll make a variable which will can no, we don't need the variable. We'll just make another custom event. Yeah. Can open I'll just put that. I'll call that after this timeline is finished. Okay. They should play from start. And wow, it's 11. Okay. So okay, let's make a timeline here. I'll add a key which will be 0. So another key which will be 1. And what should be the time to open the door? Around 2 seconds. And I'll make the length of the track as 2. We'll get the log. And put that in alpha. So we need to change the location of this cube vertically on z-axis. So I'm gonna get that cube here and set relative location, and even get the relative location. Yeah, that one. Let's click that. And not the X, we want the Z. And let me check how the amount of the location change it needs. Somewhere around 800 should be fine. So that's 300 difference. Alright. So that will be 300. Split it down and change the Z location, and everything else will remain same. Z and X, sorry, Y, X and Y. And to close it down, there will be we can't retrigger it until it shuts down, so we'll use that later. So currently we need to set a timer here. Set time of by event. We'll count the 10 seconds maybe. And we don't need the looping one. And then we'll call a custom one. Yeah, shut door. And we'll need the timeline again. We'll name it as shutting door. And get this again. And I will change the value to 0. I could have done the reverse here, but just to simplify it, I'll just make another timeline here. After finishing this, let me get this. Two people's watching right now. Yeah, if you guys are commenting, I don't see it. Yes. Yeah. You need to make a button for this, so we'll just copy one of this, call it door button, and yeah, let me think about it. Yeah, we need to add the interface here. Sorry, my bad. Class. Let me check what interface was it. The button is press. Okay, the button press. The button press interface. So this interface consists of some functions. This is the food button press. We don't need to care about that now. We already made the food spawning. So just need this function. One thing we did wrong. We can't use that interface because it needs to be the interactable base blueprint, but the door is just an actor parent class. So I'll just make it this one, the door. first door and get that. I'll call and open the door. Where should I place it? This is okay, on the back leftmost corner. This one. So I'll just reference the door here. It's working. Let's see if this closes. Yeah. One thing I need to make sure, because I just placed the laser there, which I am not spawning. I just placed those in the levels to like for the moving lasers event, and I need to think about that. Am I changing the C value or okay, there is a laser height, so we can just paste that. Before and after the laser event. So when it's finished, I'll just set the laser height to like more than the character height, or maybe the door height, so that it should not be visible. 500 was the stating on. Okay. I'll just make a space here when it triggers this event. It should set it to 80. And in the beginning, gameplay, it should say 500. So let's see if this works. I want to make sure. Yeah, that can be changed in the instance here. So this is correct. Fuck. It's fine, right? Oh, my bad. Now it should work. Yeah, it's working. Maybe I should change the timing for door open. Initially, there should be the first player sensing the door opening while opening the door. You just see after the opening the door. Yes. Closing time should be maybe it should be sorry. Uh, yeah. Yeah. It's staying. Yeah, the timing is staying. Uh, maybe should I check it how it's looking? Let's like it is. Hmm. What am I doing wrong here? I don't know. Is it really working? Let's see if it takes longer or not. Well, 100 is working like it takes 2 seconds. 300. So initially it is on 0. So it just going 300. So why it's taking so long? Like this. Whatever. I'm gonna keep fine. So that player should get a time to like exit out that space if he is not able to open the door, the second door. Okay. What's going on? Why does it just open in a second? If I'm start. Let me check how did I make same for the toilet. Timeline. No, I just this one was the wrong way to do it. I did before yeah, laser. Sorry. See, this takes 3 seconds. The length is 3, and it just play accurate. And why this one is not working? What am I doing wrong? should I check if we just keep this for 0 0 maybe 0 0 plus 0 0 0 and 10. Okay, I'll try 3 and this one to 3. No, it's not working as I want. Should I just try to make the whole move the whole blueprint? Let's try that. Okay. Sorry. Transform. Yeah. Get actor application and set actor location date, and I will split this. I'll just put the x and y value as it is. Just change the z value. Just a second, this. So what's the current height? It's 500. So we need to make it 800. How many is this cycle? See, that node is still running, but the door is already up there. Let me check for the product. How does that work? There. Really? Is this one? Yeah. Should be this one, I guess. Yeah. So it is on the back. Got it. This one. So this one. Swing. Sorry. Finish. That's fine. Yeah. If you guys know what I'm doing wrong here, just comment to them. I'm typing right now. So this is not working, so I'm not going to just change the location of the blueprint. I'll just make this one. Okay, just so right now that's not fine. It should work as the time span set in the track. Or what I can do we set this 300, and I will not use the blur here. I'll just put that rightly. It should work. Yeah, it's working. I'll go this way. So where's the other one? Yeah. We'll make that open enough. Maybe 4 seconds should be right. Yeah. And the schedule time will be not more than 10 seconds. 10 seconds is too much, but we'll see how does that work. And this initial key will be 300. Yeah, that's so I'll just hook that the shutting system. Yeah, that's correct. And we'll put in the lock, add the direct input here. Yeah, so it should not interrupt while going through this phase. It should be only triggered if the door is closed already. I wanna set the timer thing here again to count down, like for the time it will stay open, and player should know that. So I'll just copy the timer thing here from the another blueprints, which should have the moving laser button. Yeah, I'll just explain that this one to you guys. Let me just first see if it's working or not. Okay. I'll copy this maybe like this and this one. Yeah, this one. I think I should make red light blink effect while counting the timer. I just don't want to set the light color to red in steady red color. It should be blinking white and red. So I'll just be copy this. This one. Yeah. And I'll paste that here, not in the button blueprint, because I want to start the timer when the door is fully open, not when he triggered the button. Yeah, I'll just paste that in. And then I will copy the counter function. Counter function consists of nothing, just it just increment the integer, counting integer, and it checks if the timer is 0 or not. And you can set the timer value, how much you want to count. You can put 40, 30, 10, whatever you want. So I'll just copy the counter function. I'm gonna paste here. Just wait. This video, and then get this. This. I'll just get that here. I'll make it 10. And yeah, like that there. So yeah, I'll just plug that. I'll pull that out and I'll explain you this one. It counts, it triggers every 1 second, which and this spawns the timer blueprint and set the timer you want, the counting value you want, and you need to set here too, because I can't just set the warning timer here, because it triggers every time and it should mess up the variable value. So I need to set that initially when the set timer is triggered, and then it counts down, and after it finish, it goes to 0. It finish, it sets the warning timer count to 0, and until then it sets the text as of the value of the warning timer remaining in the timer blueprint. And this works as to change the color for the lights here. So, and yeah, after it finish the counter, just destroy the timer blueprint and clear the timer handle of this event. I'll place that. I need to rethink about the the to change the value of the lights. So I'm gonna do it. Yeah, it should go here. I think should trigger. It should trigger 2 times. So I need to get set timer here. I will make it 0.5 to like trigger 2 times in a second, and I'll put that to a looping, and I need another integer here to count down if it triggered 2 times or not, to like check light trigger index, and it should be intentional. Get that here. Stop event blink lights. Aside for now. I'll increment it by 1. I'll set here, and add flip. That should be flip flop. Should be flip flop. And it should be white. And if we need to check if this if its value is 2 or not. For that, I will get the branch here, and I'll plug that in from here. Okay, this here, and check if it's equals to 0. Sorry, equals to 2. And if it is, then need to clear the timer handler for this. So I'll just make a I'll just promote the variable for it, like blink time. Get that here. And invalidate. Wow. Time after that. Yeah, need to keep that here and just plug that here, so that when the counter is finished, it destroys the timer blueprint and it clears the this timer handle. And I need to put this whole system in here. Sure. Let's see. Uh, something is wrong. This is not even getting cheaper. Oh, my bad. I just didn't put the reference, light reference here. Where's the tablet? Here. I'll make it instance editable and go to the door blueprint and put those light here. I'm not gonna make all the I'm not gonna change color of all lights. I'll just change the corner lights while keeping white on the middle. No. It's not working right. It's 1.5. What's happening here is I think it is overlapping with this trigger, so I need to make it like more less than 0.5, because when it triggers second time, this triggers again and mess up the whole trigger point here. So should not. Yeah, it's okay. So when it starts closing, I'll just make the light steady. Yeah, here. Sequence, add sequence here. With the space again. Look at that here. Oh. Well, it's 66 people watching right now, and no one is available. I'm not. I need to stop this trigger when it starts closing. Uh, how does it keep? Oh, my bad. I don't need to check this. Do this. Just put that here. Make it 0.5. And add a sequence. When the timer is finished, I'll just clear when this timer. That should be fine. Let's see. It's working. After I finish the closing door, I'll make a little bit space here. And put that here a little bit. And just copy that here. And make the lights again. I think 10 seconds is too short for the player because in 10 seconds he is definitely not gonna open even a single lock. He needs to be like really quick for that. So I'll just make it a little easier. Make it a 20-second timer. That should be fine. And I'll just let me just change the texture for this. Let me see if it's ready to blend in. It doesn't. Maybe I have to take a bit of this. And I'll put that here. We'll change the time on. Okay. Should be fine. Maybe 1,000. Is it really working? I don't see any changes here. Shit, I was changing the wrong material. My bad, guys. So it doesn't make any change. Maybe 1,000 should. It's blending a little bit. Maybe it should be for 1,000. So now we can move on for the next step, which is making another door. I should call these just this folder door, so that I can second door to make it active event. Second door. And then we call it if you guys thinking like which kind of game I'm building, so if you guys have watched this sequel 2019 Japanese movie, which is also called Shingo, so I have taken the inspiration from it. Like, I'm not gonna make the storyline exactly from that movie. I'm gonna make it a little bit weird. I can just tell that now, but yeah, the main gameplay is from the movie, which is like there are like multiple buttons in the room, which spawns anything units, not anything like food or some random shit. It doesn't it shouldn't be like exactly what you need. It could be a danger or any helpful thing like some skateboard or something like that, so which could be useful. So I'm making that kind of game, which the character is gonna spawn in the room, which he doesn't know how he came there. He just need to find the exit door from there, which has a button, but it's like hidden in the thousands of button in the room. So you need to find that button. Like for that go through, you may end up in danger, which is like moving lasers, or maybe ball launchers or something like that, which could affect the player health. And also the main mechanics there is you need to stay alive by eating food, and even you need to find the food button there. There are multiple buttons, you can easily find that. But yeah, the next second biggest thing is he needs to if he ate too much and the food digest, he needs to find the toilet for that and to just poop it down, and there will be a poop meter which will tell if the food is digested or not. And yeah, the food is even responsible for stamina, energy, and the health. Yeah, I already made those mechanics even before I started streaming. Just I just thought I should start streaming the another whatever the development is remaining for this game. So a few things are yet to be developed. Like I need to make it the camera thing more realistic. Like I'm gonna add VHS in it. Little eye fisheye optical illusion, and yeah, the background blur. If you are focusing on any kind of object, the background is gonna blur. Uh, yeah, and the last thing is, if you find the door, you need to open the second door in the timer, which is 20 seconds. We set it down. So yeah, let's go further. Okay, I need to think about to extend the floor or just make the another floor beside here. I think it should be 35 with the another. We'll just copy that down. Move it beside. Oh, hold on. There is next phase 2 for this game, which is not gonna be included in the demo of this game. The second phase will be like a maze. I don't want to complicate it a little bit. I don't want to complicate it, but yeah, I'm not gonna make it too large. Just after the the second door is open, I think I just like thought about it a little bit, that weird clown will be following you, running behind you until you find the exit out through the maze. So the clown will be like the Terrifier. If you have saw the movie Terrifier, so I'm thinking about it. I'm not exactly sure about it right now. Let's see where it goes. Okay, and let's make the second row. So how I'm gonna. I think I'll need a door mesh for that, because it needs the lock. Or should I keep it simple, like just keep it a passcode lock for it, rather than keeping multiple locks? For now, I'm gonna just put a passcode lock on it. Not gonna make it a little complicated. Let me see if there is any free beta, or I'll just buy. I don't want the wooden one. Yeah, this. I think should I stick with the same technique, which is the first door, or should I make the door it as a boundary door? Okay. I'll stick to the normal one for now. I'll need to think about it later. You just keep it as simple as it is for the size of the first door. So I'll just copy this, paste here, and yeah, the door will open. Make a custom link. Oh, just add that here. And after that, I'll just put the password lock one in this blueprint itself. I'm not gonna make another one. So for that, okay, let me see if sure same how many. This doesn't work for the game style. Mhm. This one. Ah. Just a sec. By this way. Or maybe should I? Let me check it task list. Okay. Let me check if I should make it a string or text. And as much as I know, it should be string. So it should be string. Yeah. And I'll make the copy password. So like we gonna check if the initiated password is same as oh, I think exactly like, and if it's true, then open this the get only access denied and Okay, so I got the mesh for it. Let me get that. It will be check again. Must be high quality, that's why. Oh. Stupid clean. What is the amount for selection paper? Sorry, yeah. And I will just explain. Pass. Password. So there is a 311 right now. Drive the keyboard. So this is metallic. The ground goes to the ground, and then the reference goes to the reference, and yeah, the base color. This is the emission. Why the heck? Oh. Alright. You just activate to show on it. So the base color goes to base color, emission goes to emission, metallic, the normals, and the reference. that works. I'm gonna check it now. Password finder. Source and password. Password. And selected. Finish. Yeah, that's all. Let's see if this works. What's the problem? That worked. I guess the setting was not appropriate. It's not working right. Need to make custom and password equal those dictionary in there. So which okay, this is base color. Let me see what this okay, roughness. I don't really know that. Yeah, got it. Italic, then was the roughness, and then the normal is there, and then the receive. Okay, let's continue.
Getting lost outside in the cold. We faded.
Password. Yeah.
Stop. Give me something. It'd be better with the lights left on. Wait for me, darling. I could go for more slow
Get
song.
that.
Slow down.
Here. And lag.
Tell me more about
Pass.
the way you love and
Panel.
taking off. It's 3 a.m. in the
Make it.
morning.
One, two, three. Should be like there. Is it on the wrong side?
Hold myself to a chord, waiting for the day
Then
that you come back to me. You know that I don't give a fuck about appearances. Been hearing things about you.
oh, sorry. That would be at the wrong one. I need to this. Okay. So I'll keep that in the label for now. Is it the normal layer? Yeah, perfect. And that's fine. So, we need to make a widget for to put the number here. It's not here. Sorry. Take the feature blueprint, user widget, call it scope, get the canvas panel here, and then size box. Let me check the timer because the size box said gaming. Okay, I just copy that here. And then relate to make it passcode related. We don't. You can just add that here directly. Let me check how I made for the timer. It's where is the second one? And then I'll get that music here. I'll find it possible. Inside that widget here. Okay. Need to actually let me align properly first. size it down a little bit. 60 should be better. Yeah. Or maybe I need to make it let me just make it on 0 first. Check it out if that fits. And then no. I need to run this size a little bit. Do like 14. Yeah, that's perfect. So wait. How did I change the okay? So to make it, we have to change the text here. Just create things. Create. So create and I'll say sorry, it shouldn't be like that. It should go in the gameplay. Yeah, like that. And then this one, yeah, right. Set music. Hold on, okay, it's been more than 2 hours. I'm streaming. Maybe in like 20 minutes, I'm gonna end the stream because I need to get food a little bit. I'm hungry. I'm starving. Literally starving. And alright. I got it. Get downloaded. Not the downloaded actually. The password is it. Then the check the number of characters. If the number of characters equals to equals to equals to 4. What is string counts from like 0 or 1? Okay. Oh, sorry, it should be equals to 4. And so like every time you are pressing the button, it triggers this event, and it will check if you have entered the 4-digit or not. Until that it doesn't pass through this branch. And then set the x, sorry, get let me check what's the okay, count, not count, it should be digits. Set digits. One second. Oh. text. Okay. Institute. Collision box. Size needs to be point. Yeah, that works. And 16 and 66 seems fine. Okay, I'll just duplicate that for every number. Okay. minus 20, 60, 20 minus 21. Then I'll just copy these ones. Minus 5. Okay. Should be 15. I did on the wrong axis. It should be yes. 6. Oh, didn't. Should be 86. No. And 6. Yeah. Copy that. That should be 146. So I'm gonna name those provision boxes as the corresponding digit. So that's 6. This one is 4. This one is 9. Three. 7. One more. 4, 0. I'll say that okay. So when I need to make the line trace first in the character Where did I? Yeah, yeah. So whenever I press the interact, the line trails will interact. We need to add another input here. So wait a second, let's go back to our first. Yeah, you need it's yeah. Target hit function. And that should be should be the let me check it first. Primitive object reference like primitive. Yeah, I got it. And that should be there. Yeah. And here I'll add the interface. What it's called to interact. Yeah. I need to get that here. Just remove that. String. I think guys, I need to really rethink about it later. Finishing this stream. So, whoever watching this, just like and subscribe. 63 people are watching right now, and none of you commented yet and subscribe. So, like, that will help me a lot. Thank you guys. I'm just ending the stream.